Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's The Click Engine review video, I've got a very, very important update on the Click Engine. And this training here is by the owner of the Click Engine, Jeff Aman. And it consists of several videos, and it's a formula that Jeff Aman uses to earn 7 figures a year. And I partnered with Jeff just over a year ago, and I've been following his formula. I learnt it from him, and I've been following his formula. So all the results that you see on my YouTube channel are from using his step-by-step formula. And as a member of the Click Engine, he goes through this. I'm going to go through it and show you exactly what it is now, but he calls it the most valuable training you will go through this year. There's over about an hour of video content. It's step by step, exactly how to be successful, not just with the Click Engine, but you can apply this formula to any opportunity or program that you're promoting. And if you follow exactly what he does, then you will get the results too. So there'll be a link in the description where you can get started with the Click Engine, because you've got to be an affiliate to be able to promote the offer itself. And when you go into the back office in the members area, you get a link that takes you to a page like this. So the first video is just 3 minutes, giving you a basic overview. And these are all free tools. He's giving you free tools to use. There are upgrade options, but you can use them for free. So this video here is a brief overview of the tools. He also shows you if you do want to upgrade. Again, upgrading's not compulsory, it's optional. But if you do want to upgrade, he shows you how to get a discount. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see here, this video lasts 9 minutes. Everything step by step. So very, very beginner friendly as well. We're using the Leads Leap tools. So that's free to set up there. You can get a link and get started there. He teaches you how to import your capture page, your thank you page to boost your sales, and also a business plan. This video is quite a long video. It lasts 15 minutes. But again, you just watch a little bit, you do the work, you pause it, you watch it again, and you can do it all in pockets of time in your spare time. He gives you the capture pages and the thank you pages share code. Now, if you're not familiar with what a share code is, all you do is copy and paste that, put it into the window that he shows you, and it just automates everything for you, and then just gives you your own link so you can promote the offers, and you're going to make the leads and the sales. And then here, if you don't like email, know how to do email follow-ups, there's the newsletter. So it teaches you how to do follow-ups as well. And in this video here is putting it all together and the importance of testing. You've got to test everything before you go live with either free traffic or paid traffic. And then this video here are the top 6 traffic sources that Jeff uses. And again, I've learned this from Jeff. These are some of the traffic sources that I use, that I learned from him. Traffic methods to fill your funnel with leads. Not only leads, but sales, because the Click Engine is a very high converting offer. And I'm going to show you some proof now of how that's actually working. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account, and this is where the Click Engine is hosted. And what you'll see here is you can build, it's important to build a monthly recurring income online. So you get into profit fast, you stay in profit, and then with that profit, if you want to scale up with more paid traffic, you can scale up faster. Now, on the right-hand side here, you'll see recurring payment, that they're in their second month, they're in their second month, they're in their fourth month. So the recurring payments are coming in. And if I scroll down further here, This is really important because you just get to promote one link and it's got multiple income streams built into the funnel. So you promote one link, and when your prospect or the customer goes through a journey, if they decide that these other products in the funnel are going to give them value and help them build their affiliate marketing business faster, then they will buy those and you earn the commissions. So this one here, you'll see is an upsell, $34. This one's an upsell. This one's an upsell. So this is what you call a high converting funnel, promoting one link. Lots of recurring income here coming in. $14 here, another upsell here. Oops, get rid of that. This one here was an upsell for $64.90. So these upsells are one-off commissions, but what you're going to do is just refer two members, and then this goes on and on here as we go further down. All you do is you refer two paying members, get two referrals that join the click engine, and then you're going to get your traffic for free. So let me just show you here. I've referred, I think now about 16 or 17 members to the click engine, but you'll see that 64 items have been sold. So literally maybe over 45, 46, 47 items are either upsells or monthly recurring commissions coming in. So that's what you call a high converting offer. And if I go here into the stats, what's important is if you're going to spend your time, I'll go into all time here, if you're going to spend your time either with free traffic or with paid traffic, your money with paid traffic, it's important that you promote an offer that's getting a high conversion. Otherwise, you're wasting your time and you're wasting your money. So we're concerned here with the bottom row, which is the click engine. And this column here is what we're looking at, hop conversion. What that means is that every time a prospect visits a sales page, then 12% are converting into a sale. And the industry average is roughly about 1 to 2%. So 12% is very, very high for a conversion. So that tells me that it's worth me spending my time creating, promoting with free traffic, which I do, and also spending my money if I want to promote with paid traffic, because it's a high converting offer. It's not only high converting on the front end with the Autopilot done for you traffic, it's also converting with the funnel itself, that the journey the customer goes through. So there'll be a link in the description that takes you to a page like this, and for $4.90 per month, so it's roughly just over $1 a week, you're going to get 100% real buyers traffic on Autopilot. I'm going to show you with this training plan here, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to get into profit, how to build profit with the upsells, and also how to earn a solid growing monthly recurring commission with the click engine. And then you can also take this training here and use it to promote any offer that you're promoting online as well. So if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that. That's going to help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you want to see some more videos of mine, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm currently doing new content every single week. At the moment, I do several videos a week. And at the moment, there's over 600 videos on the channel itself. So the link in the description will take you to a page where you can get signed up for just over $1 per week at $4.90 per month. And then you're going to get access to that training I just showed you. And that's really going to if you follow it step by step and just take the advice and the mentoring that Jeff Aman provides, then you can start to take action and get the results that he's helping his members achieve with the Click Engine. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.